Planning the perfect plan. The Magnet Quick Quote service lets you walk away with a plan and a quote for your new kitchen faster than ever. All we need from you is a simple floor plan, but to make sure we have all the right information, please spend a few moments watching this short film. Step 1. The outline. To begin, sketch out your room as a simple box, detailing all areas that will contain kitchen furniture. Be sure this includes any major structural features and protrusions. Step 2. Mark it up. Make a note of any openings in your room. Knowing where doors, windows and archways are will help us get your design just right. Also, tell us where any soil pipes, boilers and electrical meters are in case they impact on the space where kitchen furniture will be going. Step 3. Measuring. Before measuring, label all the critical areas on your plan. In this example, it's areas A, B, C, D and E. Alongside your plan, write the same letters as a key, then simply grab your tape measure and fill in the relevant measurements. Remember, this is just to get us started. We'll do our own more thorough measurements at a later stage if required, so don't panic if yours isn't millimetre perfect. Step 4. Your new kitchen. Most people already have an idea of the kitchen shape they want. If you do, be sure to sketch it into your plan, making a note of all key elements such as any appliances and the position of your sink. And that's it! Now all you need to do is pop into your nearest Magnet store and we'll do the rest. To speed things up, book a design appointment online or call your local store. If you need it, you'll find some useful downloadable graph paper on our website to help you start planning.